Hi friends, I'm super happy. I'm in my office and I received my new Sympa LED floor lamp. It has 4 different color temperatures and 4 different light intensities. So I think it's a great addition to my office. We're going to put it together and you'll see how beautiful it is, okay? You can see you have the controls here, on, off, color and intensity. Let me connect it to the electricity and try it. As you can see, this is the last part. It's really flexible. I turn it off, on. Let me change color temperature. Okay, you see? And now intensity. 4 different levels, you can see, okay? So, well, I think it's beautiful. You can put it in your office, at home, in your living room, in your bedroom, whatever you want to give a nice light touch like this one. Really, really recommend this floor lamp. Thank you.